Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is an edition of Simply Knitting that we're going to do today. Two fabulous gifts, and that's the reason I was drawn to this magazine, because although I have plastic kitty cat stitch markers, these are metal ones, and I put the plastic ones in my orders for my shop, Hobby Rocks. That's hobbyrocks.co.uk if you haven't found it already. There's a link to it in the description box with a voucher code. So, yeah, I thought I'd get this because I quite fancied not only the baby knits, have a look and see what that's about, but these really cute stitch markers that are metal kitty cats. And you can use those for crochet as well, so that's cool. Some knitting stitch markers you can't, but this one you can. So, we have Win a Knitting Library from Search Press. That'd be a pretty big prize, I would have thought. We love great reads, shopping treats, puzzle fun. What else is on here? 385 patterns and ideas. Well, it's pretty thin, so it's not exactly going to be in the book. That's all I can say about that. While I'm struggling to open it, because I do at the best of times, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when a few videos pop up. You won't get all if you click all anymore, but it also will really help me as my channel. Okay, so we're getting these out. Cool, finally. Now, if I do seem a little bit out of breath or anything, I've just been for a pretty, well, longish walk. There's nothing like that to show you just how unfit you really are, right? So I'm sitting here. Phew. I'm waiting to put my glasses on because I know I'm going to steam them up. So let's have a little look what we've got. We've got a little booklet of beautiful baby knits. There are 6 patterns in there, and we've got these 8 of these. Yeah, not 9 because there's one missing. Couldn't see past my camera. I'm going to chance the glasses. Perfectly crafted essentials to keep your knits on track or your crochet. Boost your knit kit or crochet. So there we are, cat-shaped stitch markers. They are super cute. I love the plastic ones that I've got. I'm going to love those even more. They're going to stay with me. Okay, we'll look at the gift at the end and we'll concentrate on what's in the magazine. I am steaming up. Typical, really. Patterns, Advice, Shopping and Reviews, the UK's best-selling knitting magazine. Cozy Cottage Homewares. So, that looks like maybe a doorstop, I don't know for sure. This cost, I think it was $9.99, I think. I'm trying to find it. Yep, $9.99, the price is there. We have, oh, that's unusual. That's quite a good idea. You could do that on your crochet, couldn't you? Like an I-cord and then do it as a lace-up. A little bit of decoration. We've got lacework headband. We have a fireman's sort of kit. Win your own knitting library. So this is all these books that you could win. Knits for all the family. That's pretty nice, I have to say. Don't know about the collar. I always worry about collars. They get a bit unruly, don't they? Especially once they've been washed or something. I'm going to take out all the bump because I believe, apart from Vote for Your Shop, Hurtigruten Cruises, which cost a fortune, and also Celebrity Cruises. For some reason, these books are really plugging the cruises. I do love a cruise myself. Went for the first time around Christmas, and now I'm hooked. So, we won't read that. That's the team. I like this. I don't think I'd ever really have the patience to knit cable. My mother used to do it all the time. Cover star. Didn't really notice it on the cover. I suppose I should have. I was too busy looking at everything else. And we've got that one, and we've got a kind of a shawl or a wrap. We've got the fireman that we see. That's the one I said looks nice. We've got this one as well for anyone really. It doesn't have to be for a guy, does it? We've got a bobble hat. We've got a koala. I can actually recognise the koala. And we've got this little dude here. So we've got lots of other stuff. Let's get in. Our gift to you this month is the stitch markers and this what's inside the baby pattern book. Well, I'm going to get to that, so we don't need to see it now. That's an advert. A lot of them, though, isn't there? A very thin magazine with quite a few adverts so far. Wish list. Shopping, events, inspiration, people and views. So, Enchanted Woods is a book. Well, actually, it's a series of books. And it's book 1 will cost you $6.99 from King Cole. So you get to make these little fairies, woodland creatures, I guess. Okay, I don't know how many you get in book 1, whether it was all of them or not. But they're called Enchanted Woods. There we go, Fairyland. We've got little bits about the sheepies yarns, and this is the new Riot DK colours. I do have some Riot in my shop. I love it, actually. I can't use it myself because it's got wool in it, but I do love it. I love looking at it. And we've got Wool and Gang, rather expensive in the UK. I did see some on an American site that wasn't. And what we got here? Rico cotton yarns. And let's get in this, shall we? This is the Baby Easy Stripes. I have just got maybe 1 or 2, I can't remember, of this Baby Easy Stripes to give it a try. And as I have to say, I love it. It's really, really nice. So I probably will get some more. But I also got a couple of crochet patterns because they were adorable. So this is a really nice little knitted one. It looks like it's got some cabling on that. This is the cover. It's called Fuchsia Twist. I like it a lot. If my mum was still around, I would nag her now to make that for me. I probably could do it myself. I just don't get the time. I would not have the time. I'd never get anything else done. I'd never get any crochet. There's shaping and all that stuff. What sizes we got? 8 to 10 or a 28 to 30. So it's a good size range. And obviously that's UK sizing. Get the look. Buy the accessories. So these trainers, they remind me of the very first Adidas trainers that were around with the thin sole. Gary, my partner, loves those. And when he saw Freddie Mercury, or the guy playing Freddie Mercury, had them on when he did the Live Aid. They obviously made them specially because he can't get them anymore, or they were in wardrobe somewhere. But they were his favourites, and the closest ones we've found, but they're not the same, and he just loves them. Anyway, that's beside the point. Book of the month. Knit mini toys. So we've got little pandas like Weebles. Do you remember Weebles? Oh, they're all like Weebles, actually. They wobble, but they don't fall down, sort of thing. Perfect for leftover yarn. Easy to follow instructions. Best-selling knitting series, mini knitted toys. Quick, fun and creative. It's £8.99, which is not bad at all for a book. There's the details by Sashio Ishii. And yeah, they're not bad, are they? They're kind of cute. You could whip those up in no time at all for you. Little ones, couldn't you really? And your grandkids, and more cat stitch markers coming up. Or do you get that for, maybe they're not for colour-coded stitch markers. What are they? I've seen those in magazines, though. I've actually had those before. I think I gave them away, though. Anyway, star letters. I think there might be things you get for actually getting your letters published. Not sure, though, because that involves a lot of reading. Thought I had someone coming through the path then, but no. This is a lacy headband by Kelly Menzies. It's quite nice. If you're into your headbands, that would be quite cool. Another advert, of course. Bear with me a second, guys. I do have someone at the door. Sorry about that. I thought I heard someone at the path. It was Gary. Okay. Now, this is by Berger de France. It's a hoodie goodie. So that's kind of cute. And what sizes do we have in that? 3 months up to 24 months. Well, that's quite nice. It's quite plain, so this is just... I like the chevron on the sleeves, though. Yeah, quite nice. I like that. I like the colour, too. Another advert for cruises. Win your own knitting library. I don't know how you have to do that, but you can always hover over this here QR reader. How to enter. You have to go to the website www.gathered.how/competitions and enter, but I think they just try and get you in so that you subscribe, and yeah. Okay, save 50% when you subscribe to Simply Knitting to £61.99 instead of £124.87. Rather similar to the Simply Crochet one that I saw. So very, very similar. Adverts again. So this is Total Texture by Sean Brown. Try a new stitch. So there it is at the back. I'm not sure if I like it, actually. I'm not sure at all. That kind of looks crocheted, but it's not. It's just, no, extra small up to a 4XL. Not my cup of tea, but I mean, there are people who are like that. Lend a hand. Cast on a copyright-free knit. Sell it for good causes and discover a passion for fundraising with our charity focus. Now, there's a shop, I did a piece on it once in Maidstone that does that, but it's all so that parents of, or, you know, mums who've gone through traumatic birth. It says parents, I guess it could cater for fathers as well, but it when they've had tragedy or traumatic births of any kind, they arrange counselling. So that's what they raise money for. This is, can't afford a cosy country cottage, then knit one for your sofa. So it's a cushion. If you filled it with beans, it'd make a good doorstop, I think. You know, like, I don't mean like baked beans or anything. Just be silly, Tracy. But this is by Amanda Berry. It's quite sweet. And you could easily crochet something on that, just saying. Just saying, you know, just saying. Just saying. Bushland Brew. Antipodean fans will love this. Brilliant. Designed by Tea Cozy Folk. Oh, it's Tea Cozy. The cute koala shape adds a cuddly moment to tea times. I always seem to miss the bit that's actually showing what it is. Here's the rear view. No little tail. They seem to be missing the tails out and things. So this is a bit of a yarn thing. I've got Cherished, but mine's a DK in my shop. I don't know if I've got much left of it, actually. And I did used to carry the Fair Isle, but not so much now. I'm still steaming up, guys. Steaming up. Got a bit of a chart-ish thingy there. Walkabout. Grid. Guild. Your winter walks. I had a summer walk, and I didn't gild that. With this golden wrap, generous in size and wool content, it will keep you forever warm by Georgia Farrell. Looks quite nice. Probably as big as me, like tall-wise. Braided Beauty. So, yeah, it's not really braided. It's crisscrossed, isn't it? So this is a size 4 to 6 up to a 40 to 42. So massive size range. Is it the pullover as well? Yes, it is. Wouldn't be fun with just the braid, would it? Knitting know-how. Question of the month. Tension and colours and perfect collar. Knit cuffs that stretch. The bit I like. I love this page. I don't understand why they don't do it in Simply Crochet, but I've said that before, haven't I? Everyday heroes. So we've got the fire engine and the firemen, fire people, and hose. Don't forget the hose. All important hose. That was actually a pretty cute little accessory. Is that a hydrant? It probably is. Let's see. Hydrant, yeah. I like this one. I do. It's a basket weave stitch. It says, muted colour transition, turn a classic cardigan design into an exciting garment by Stylecraft. So it must be one of their free patterns. I'm going to put in an order with them soon, so I shall find out about that. But yeah, quite nice. It is a kind. It doesn't really show it, but it does look a bit like a basket weave design. Wow. So yeah. Stylecraft. I've got quite a lot of Stylecraft in my shop. How to knit bits, abbreviations and sizes. And in the next one, we've got a jumper with a peplum. They're bringing the peplum back again. Looks like it. Lace sleeve jumper, pretty checked wrap, kids mould bobble jumper, cable vest for men, mice in a slice playset. Sounds not very nice. Slicing up mice. Patch cushion knit along, Quick and easy baby cardi feral jumper from Rowan, and a blue-footed booby, which is a tea cozy. I don't know what a booby is. Not with the blue feet. No idea. A Swiss cheese plant, cushion, bunch of flowers in a basket, hanging up kind of baskets, a little cozy for your cafetiere. There's the cushions and all the other bits and pieces. Oh, there we go. They're coming at, maybe the slice is the cheese. Okay, so that's that. Missed an issue, there's the back ones. Peaks and pearls. So this is that stitch of the month. So we've got the bobble hat. And we've got an advert for sheepies. So that is that. And this is the Enchanted Woods book 1. So you get all of those in book 1. So a little advert for them. So let's have a look then. Not to forget the cute stitch markers, because really like those. Let's see what we've got. Hopefully we'll get bigger pictures than what is on the front. So first off, that's nice. We've got this, it's by Drops, this one. It's a lattice stitch jumper. Perfect combination of airy warmth for baby. Airy warmth. And that goes from 1 month to 2 years. So nice size range. This is cute. Bedtime bunny with super soft textures, all about to become a nighttime favourite, by Claire Farrell. That's kind of sweet, isn't it? Just a little bedtime dangly. Dingle dangle. And then we've got Bright Emerald. It's sort of one of those bolero-y type, by Jo Allport. What is a bolero? My goodness, my skills of identification is getting better. 0 to 3 months up to 24 months. And then we've got this baby set. Itchy nose, excuse me. Adorable set packed with exciting stitches and makes the prettiest birthday gift, by Val Pierce. So we've got a lovey and we've got booties. That's a lovey and booties. I ought to put some mittens in with that, you know. It seems a bit strange just having the feet. But there we go. Little kind of lovey blanket. Oh, there's a hat. Did I miss that? Whoa, that made me jump, guys. I was sitting here minding my own business and things fell off the fridge. Like, fridge magnets give up. There's definitely no hat on this picture. No, there's no hat, only this one. And we've got a bonnet. Okay. That's weird, isn't it? It didn't advertise the bonnet. Oh, look, it's on the back though. So why not mittens then? We've got shoes, we've got a bonnet, no mittens. I would have put mittens in there. Must have been easy just to add them. Anyway, that's the little accessory kind of thing. And not to forget these babies. Okay, what do you think? It's quite a thin magazine. When I picked it up in the shop, I nearly put it back and thought it was a bit thin. Then what swayed me to get it was this. I thought, well, no, I really want those. And some of these may be like really super cute. So I'm glad I did get it now, really. It's got quite a lot in it, considering it's pretty thin. So tell me what you think. What do you like? What do you not like? I absolutely love the puzzle page. I don't actually get a chance to sit and do them, but they're there if I ever want to. So I just like seeing them, I guess. When I was young and I was at work or whatever, and I'd be flicking through a magazine, I'd always do those puzzles. So maybe I'll have to start again. Good for your brain. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.